Hi everyone, welcome back. So in today's session, we'll cover Cucumber framework. Okay, using step by step from scratch level, guys. Okay. So as I told you in my previous video, guys, I will definitely go for the Cucumber. Okay, because I have already covered the basic Java concept here. Okay, in my tutorial. So also cover the Selenium WebDriver, guys. Okay, what are the main features? Okay, and also cover one framework called TestNG. Okay, so I have mentioned also that important interview question, guys, for Selenium Java. Okay, with basic Java also. Okay, and TestNG framework. Okay, so if you new to the channel, guys, please subscribe the channel. Okay, to got the updated video notification from your side. Okay, so for the further delay, guys, we just start with our main topic. What is Cucumber? Okay, how it's work. Okay, so first, guys, we just have a look on the flow. Okay, so in Cucumber, guys, there are some files are there. Okay, the Cucumber framework, the first file is that feature file. Okay, so in feature file, actually whatever the test cases and scenarios will be there, we just mention. Okay, so there are set of keywords are, guys. Okay, in the feature we have the feature keyword, then scenarios. Okay, then given, when, then, and. Okay, so we'll cover in the next slide. This. Okay, so in feature file, guys, we just mention our test scenarios in the normal English language. Okay, so it is easily understand to everyone. Okay, so it's called jerkin language. Okay, so we see in the next slide. So the next file is the step definition, guys. So after creating the feature file, guys, the all the steps are related, just linked with one file called step definition file. Okay, in the step definition file only we just write our actual Selenium script. Okay, what are the Java language or whatever language we are just preferred, we just writing the main scripting part in the step definition only, which is mapped with the step definition and the feature file. Okay, then the next file is the runner file, guys. So in the runner file only, guys, we just mention our path of both feature and step definition and run it. Okay, this is a proper file that we have to use for running purpose. Okay, what are the test case we have written. Okay, and the next one is the test report. Okay, so the in the Cucumber, guys, it's already when you run the test case. Okay, it's already generated default behavior, means your default your whatever that result will be that generated. Okay, you can also like this interlink with the extend report here. Okay, so how the extend report you just create, I already covered in my previous video, guys. You just go through it. Okay, so go for the next slide. So what are now it just look what are the mains like working process. Okay, so Cucumber is a, guys, is a open source tool. Okay, it's also called as BDD. Okay, so most of the interview times, guys, they are asking what is BDD, so you can answer like it allows team to write scenarios in a plain English language. Okay, it's called Jerkin. Okay, so it's all is easily understandable by everyone, like your stakeholder or client. Okay, also the manual testers. Okay, so Cucumber tests are mapped with the step definition. Okay, written in programming language. Okay, which are then execute and verify the application's behavior. Okay, so what are the main components? I already covered it. Feature files, step definition files. Okay, hooks is like allowed to set up a tear down operations before and after the scenarios. Okay, so the runner class, I already told you what is the runner class, what is use it. Okay, so go for the next one. So here, guys, what are the main features of BDD which you cover? Okay, so BDD actually used for the agile software development process. Okay, we also know that on processor like V model, waterfall model. So agile also, guys, most usable model nowadays, because it's easy to is used for the easy and proper communication with the client, because here only the different sprint are there. Okay, the different streams, we just the relationship and the communication of through the client will be better using agile methodology, guys. If you want to know more about the agile, guys, please comment me, I will definitely make a video for agile. Okay, so now come to our topic. So yeah, it's yeah, agile software development process that encourage collaborate between the developer, testers, business stakeholders. Okay, like your client. So Cucumber supports BDD by enabling test cases be written natural English. Okay, I already covered. So let's see what are the setup required for BDD. Okay, so you know that where we go for our Selenium or TestNG also, we have some dependency that we have to add in our pom.xml file. So here also we have to write like take the dependency from the Maven repository for BDD Cucumber. You can search for it. Okay, so I will cover this particular one, guys, in the real time video, real time example to create a Cucumber framework. Okay, so just for now, you just have an idea of that we have to need some add the dependency of the BDD also. Okay, so in the feature file, you have to create a feature file here. Okay, to dot feature is the extension, guys. Okay, is asked in the interview, guys, what is the extension. So dot feature is the extension for the feature file. Okay, you have to just create a normal file, then just make just name is a dot feature. Okay, so you have to write all the scenarios here. Okay, then the step definition, guys, is mapped with the your feature file. Okay, you have to write your actual whatever that script will be there for your test cases. Okay, then the runner file, you know that you have to run it and execute it for the report. Okay, then the next one, guys, what is feature file? Okay, what are the main components are there? So in the dot feature file, guys, where the heading is start with the feature. Okay, what are the actual description we have, what we have to not up to the heading will be there for the your test. Okay, so next in the scenarios. So scenarios, guys, looks like the test cases. Okay, suppose we have 100 of test cases. Okay, and you have to just pick one by one. So scenarios is same like your test cases. Okay, you have to just define your test case, whatever test case description here. Okay, under this only you just define your test cases. So how you define? Using this particular keyword: given, when, then, and, but. Okay, so all are these like given is for the for your setup. Okay, whatever the preconditions there. When is just describe your action, what you will have to do. Okay, what are the main actions. In the then you have to just verify the result. Okay, you have to just verify here. And in and keyword, guys, you have to just add additionals given, when, then, whatever you have to add, you have to just add in between using the and keyword. Okay, so but keyword is used for the condition, guys. Whatever the if you have the particular conditions, you have to just use but keyword. So background use per if you have the common steps, guys. Okay, so using the you have to write one things on that, but on some steps in the background keyword, you have to just it will repeat. Okay, and in the scenario outline, guys, use for the parameterization means if you have numbers set of data, okay, that you have to use for every time. So you have to just define in the scenario outline with the example keyword, guys. In the example, you have to just define your in the different your columns, like your use the bar keyword. Okay, you have to just define your column name. You have to just define whatever text data. Okay, so this is the use of scenario outline is the examples. Okay, this is also most important information, guys. Okay, so go for the next slide. So what is step definitions? So the step definition, guys, I already told you it's map with the feature file. Okay, so whatever line you have mentioned, okay, it's linked with that particular step definition. So suppose in the given you have to write that the login page. Okay, to navigate to the URL. Okay, you have to define your URL here, and the when you have to just enter your username password, and then you have to just verify. Okay, because the then keyword is used for the verification purpose. That's after clicking on the submit button or login button, user is properly redirect to that particular home page or not. Okay, so go for the next one, runner file, guys. So it starts with the at the rate run with, guys, run with annotation, guys. Okay, so here in the Cucumber options only, you have to just define your path of the feature file. So in the glue, this one is also the important interview question, guys. What is glue, they ask. So in the glue only, you have to define your path of the step definition file. Okay, so this is the all the lines of code in using the runner file. Okay, so go for the next slide, guys. Okay, so actually I will describe all the things, guys, in the next video. Okay, because this is a a normal blueprint of this Cucumber whatever framework is there. Okay, so I will create a real-time Cucumber framework with a project Maven project and just show you what how it looks like. Okay, so till then, guys, just go through this video, guys. Okay, whatever I have already covered. Okay, and subscribe the channel, guys. I will See you the next video with the updated one, updated frameworks, Cucumber frameworks. Okay, with the real time exercises. Okay, guys. Till then, goodbye, guys. Yeah, thank you so much.